Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Excel automate feature. Sometimes people would like to use the Excel function very faster. For example, if they would like to use the setup cells, background, color, text color and styles in this situation, how they can do this? Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. First you have to enable the automate tab, then you have to go to this and you have to click on the all scripts. By default shows the scripts in samples tab. Here you can check it out, a lot of predefined scripts available. Now I would like to use the customized script. So first we have to select the cell, then we have to click on the new script, then we have to click on the record action. If you know how to use the script, then you can use this script, but very easy to use for the record action. So we have to use record action. Then we have to choose the relative mode only. You can check it out, the two options available, relative mode and the absolute mode. If you choose the absolute mode, then the absolute mode only works for the particular cells. If you use this function for any cell, then you have to use the relative mode. That's it. Now you can check it out, the recording relative to A1. Okay, fine. So now we can go to home tab. Here I would like to change the background color red. So every action will be displayed on this. We can remove unwanted. That's it. So now I would like to change the text color, then click on the bold. So every action you can see recorded from here. I would like to change the font also. That's it. Now I have to stop this recording script. So you can check it out, all the action has been recorded. So now you can change the script name, heading. Check it out, the heading script has been saved. Now I would like to apply this recorded actions for another cells. So here I would like to select this, then just click on the run button. That's it, it's applied. So if you would like to apply for any cells, this action will be applied. That's it. So in this way you can use the Microsoft Excel automate function for faster productivity. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.